Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop background apps from running on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we need to do is head into the settings. So swipe up and open up your settings. Now, keep in mind, the default is that you won't be able to see any of those background running apps until you turn on developer mode or developer options. So to be able to do that, we need to scroll down to the very bottom and you can see About Phone. Let's tap on that and then tap on Software Information. Now within here, again, there's no option that says toggle on developer mode. For whatever reason, Android decided to hide it behind the build number. So you're looking for that build number. In my case, it starts with BP2A. Now what we're going to do to unlock it is we're going to tap on build number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're going to enter in your PIN. So let me enter in the PIN for my phone and hit OK. And then allow development settings. I'm going to hit OK. Now that we've turned on developer mode, we need to do 2 things within developer mode to make sure those aren't running in the background. Let's get to developer mode by tapping the back arrow and then back again. And then you can see at the very bottom, it says developer options. Let's tap on that. Now within here, again, the frustrating thing is there's no one option that says background running apps. We need to find it essentially because it's renamed running services or running apps. So tap on running services, and this shows you your memory, the system, the apps that are taking up memory, and the free memory. Now to stop an app from running in the background, all you need to do is find that app on here. Let's say Dual Messenger. If we just tap on it, all we need to do is hit stop. And just like that, it will prevent that from running in the background. Same thing for messages or anything like that. We can stop those from running in the background. However, that's not the only thing. I would also highly recommend going back out of here and let's make sure these are not able to run in the background and use up all of your resources. So we're going to scroll down until we find the option that allows us to control background running processes. So keep scrolling down. It's a super long list. We're going to find it. Where is it? Towards the bottom here. Just keep going. And then you'll be able to see there again. Let's go through this. There it is, background process limit. You can see background process. I'm going to switch this to no background processes, essentially preventing any app from running in the background and using up all the memory and space on my Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.